Hey, welcome back to Taking Trades. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Jimmy, and this YouTube channel is dedicated to day trading, where I like to show live trades, show entries, exits, any information surrounding my trades, just so that we can all continue learning. So today is January 29th, 2019, and are you ready? Yesterday, I mentioned I took a swing trade, and today I'm going to reveal that swing trade. So you should be very excited. First off, I want to say that sleeping while in a swing trade, I don't think is for me. All I could think about was the swing trade. And then I'm up this morning, immediately checking it out, looking for information, not knowing where it's going to open in the pre-market. The whole thing was craziness. And so I don't know that I'm going to swing trade any longer. So with that being said, let's jump into the swing trade. Let's reveal the swing trade. So the swing trade is on ticker symbol MU, which is Micron Technology. And I want to show you real quick what I saw that made me want to get involved here. So Micron Technology is a large cap stock that I've been involved with many times in the past. I've traded it plenty. And I check in on it from time to time when ETFs are a little slow. When DGAS and UGAS slow down, sometimes I'll go looking around at some of my favorite large cap stocks. So Micron Technology hit a high of 64.66 up here, and then proceeded to set a low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and just kept doing this all the way to this candle. And that's when I sort of got interested and said, you know what, maybe this is an opportunity to go back to the bottom of the channel. So my thought was, from the top of the channel back down to the bottom of the channel is about 36.5% to 37%, over $10 in range. So I thought if I could take 100 shares and short right around the top of this channel, I can just ride it to the bottom of the channel. That'd be $1,000. So that was the tentative plan until last night, when having an open position overnight was driving me crazy. And this morning, not knowing where it was going to open in the pre-market, it was just, it was a little too much for me. So this morning, you know, it's just chopping around, and I bought in at $37.95 the previous day. And when I got up this morning and was looking at things, it was chopping around here, and I was down, and I was watching it sort of follow this trend line, the 15 EMA, and I thought, you know, I really don't know. I'm going to put a stop at the previous high of day, and then we'll just kind of see what happens. And so it opens up this morning in the first minute candle and just blows straight up. So I'm down, you know, upwards of $100, $115. Turns around, pulls right back down, and then continues on this nice drop down. And so as it got down here, I decided that this hang up, it was like stalling, and I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to exit the position. I don't think I can keep holding for days and days because the price action was just too much. So anyway, all said and done, here's the reveal. $66.01. So held it overnight, almost bottom ticked it, sold it right in here at 37.41 for $66.01 profit. So yeah, maybe my one and only swing trade. I don't know. It just wasn't super comfortable. But there is one thing I want to show you guys before you run away here. I want to show you something interesting about what did happen with this candle action. If I go to the daily chart and I zoom this out and we take a peek here, you can see I plotted two lines. I plotted yesterday, which is the 28th, the low of yesterday I plotted at 36.65. Then I plotted out the high of day at 38.97. So keep those in mind, those two lines. Now I go back to the 1 minute chart. And what you'll notice here is that when this stock opened up today, it blasted straight up and then stopped dead and got rejected. Where did it get rejected? 38.97. That shows you the power of plotting out the previous day's high and low, because this wasn't just a coincidence. It hit the high of yesterday's trading action and got rejected. So if that line hadn't have been there, would I have just sold to cut my losses and just get out? I don't know. But because I had that line there and saw it get rejected off of it, I felt more comfortable that we had some downside. So just super important to be aware of those lines, and each day, if you plot those, and I even started plotting the previous day's high and low and 2 days ago high and low. And those lines, I think in a previous video we had talked about this a little bit, about how much they can interact with your daily price action. So just something to be aware of, and yeah, that's really about it. It was that one swing trade. And then you can see where I sold it ended up being nearly the bottom. It dipped a little below here, but just kind of continued on its way, being flat today. So I'm out of the swing trade. I don't think I'm going to swing trade again for a while. I think I prefer day trading, where I can close my position at the end of each trading day and sleep well at night. So I want to know if you guys swung trade anything, if you day traded anything. Are you green? Are you red? Do you have any questions? And another thing is, this YouTube channel will be 1 month old on the 31st, and we're at 92 subscribers, and my goal is to try to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the month. So by Thursday at midnight, I'm looking for 100 subscribers. I want to see if we can get there. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and if you have any questions, post them below, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you.